shit. I just missed the track. There we go. Yep, okay. Well, that was fun. Woo! A little slick. Hi, Lily. A little late here, but first lap for the Gutbuster 24. Fuck me. I'm just missing the track left and right. Arrows. I guess this way. Okay, I'm good with that. I assume we go this way. Well, okay. I don't. Alright. Oh, okay. We can go that way. Okay. This way? Woo, mercy. Oh, mercy. Okay, you're alright. Focus. You okay, brother? Oh, wow. Okay. Maybe wasn't right in. Oh, that would have been better. Okay. Oh, rocks. Woo. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Alright. Rock. Oh, look at that. Holy schmolies. Well, that was fun. Not. Alright. Good job, LJ. Alright. Good job, Sammy. I think I like that better. Stay with it. Stay focused. Alright. You're okay. Relax. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Hi, Ted. Alright. Yeah, I fell coming out of that. I just fell. Thank you, sir. Whew. That's going to be gnarly in the dark.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. Oh, that hurt my knee. Okay. Check this out. All right. Left is better. Woo. All right. Damn. I hope. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Go on, baby. Okay. Yeah. Something doesn't feel right. But that's okay. Oh, seriously. Okay. Wow. At least I know I'm going the right way. Whoop, whoop. Woo. I got you. All right. Go left. You're welcome. I go whoop whoop. Ah, that was cool. That one section. That is super gnar. No lie. See? That's fine with me. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh. Stay up. Okay. That's already worn out. You okay? Hang on, baby. Hey, the three of us can get it out if you can come help.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize, baby.
We're all out here doing this together.
Yeah.
Team sport more than one way.
Yeah, she's got her, yeah, it was another girl. You guys go, I'll follow you down.
There's a lot more where all that came from.
You okay? All right. Ooh. I'm going. Give me a sec. I don't know. That sounds like I'm dragging something. Oh, okay. Whoa! Look ahead, LJ. Okay. I have no stinking idea. Okay. Woo! 22, I think. Woo! That's some gnar. Coming through. Coming through. Woo! Where's my pit? I'm lost. Oh, Lord, look out. Woo woo. Wrong direction, baby. Woo! Oh, my dear. Where's...
You're good? Okay. You good?
Yeah, I had to stop and I picked up one of the women on that, one of the last really gnarly downhills. I fell once. Huh?
Skid plates hanging on.
Oh, is that what I felt dragging?
Yeah, your skid plate.
Okay, we need to take that off. Or here.
We'll get you in the pit and get you
Okay.
out. Listen, don't worry about this one thing. I mean, hell, everybody, they're doing live
Okay.
swats and everything.
All right.
Here, so pull that down.
Yeah, in a bit. Not right now.
We got
2. Kirsten's going 2.
Hey,
Yeah. All right. Okay. I thought something felt funny under there.
The same thing when I circled last weekend.
There's just a couple of gnarly rocks.